Imagine you've just sent a hefty sum of money through Paysend, only to realize you've made a mistake. Or perhaps the recipient hasn't received the funds. The question on your mind is, can you get your money back? Let's dive into the world of Paysend refunds. Paysend is a popular international money transfer service offering a convenient way to send money to friends, family, or businesses across the globe. But like any financial transaction, there are potential hiccups. One common concern is the possibility of needing a refund. Refund policies. Understanding Paysend's refund policy, Paysend has a specific set of guidelines regarding refunds. These policies are designed to protect both the sender and the recipient while ensuring fair practices. Common refund scenarios. Let's explore some of the most common scenarios where a refund might be necessary. Incorrect recipient information. If you've accidentally sent money to the wrong person, Paysend may be able to assist in rectifying the error. Technical issues. Sometimes, technical glitches can prevent funds from being delivered. In such cases, Paysend will investigate the issue and provide a resolution, which may include a refund. Fraudulent activity. If you suspect fraudulent activity on your account or if the recipient has reported a scam, Paysend will take immediate action to protect your funds. Refund timeframes. The time it takes to process a refund can vary depending on the circumstances. Paysend strives to resolve refund requests as quickly as possible, but it's essential to be patient and follow their guidelines. Refund process. Steps to request a refund. If you need to request a refund, here's a general outline of the process. Contact Paysend customer support. Reach out to Paysend's customer support team through their designated channels, such as email or live chat. Provide necessary information. Be prepared to provide details about the transaction, including the sender and recipient information, the amount sent, and the reason for the refund request. Gather supporting documentation. In some cases, you may need to submit additional documentation, such as proof of identity or evidence of fraudulent activity. Refund methods. Once your refund request is approved, Paysend will typically refund the funds to the original source of the payment. This could be your bank account or another designated payment method. Tips for avoiding refund issues. Double-check recipient details. Before sending money, carefully verify the recipient's information to prevent errors. Use secure networks. When using Paysend, ensure you're connected to a secure network to protect your personal and financial information. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Paysend account for any unusual activity or discrepancies. Be cautious of scams. Be aware of common scams and exercise caution when dealing with unfamiliar individuals or organizations. Real-life examples. Case Study 1. Share a personal story or a real-life example of someone who successfully received a refund from Paysend. Highlight the steps they took and the timeline involved. Case Study 2. Discuss a situation where a refund was not granted. Explain the reasons behind the decision and provide insights into how to avoid similar outcomes in the future. Recap key points. Summarize the main takeaways from the video, such as the common refund scenarios, the refund process, and tips for avoiding issues. Final thoughts. Emphasize the importance of understanding Paysend's refund policies and contacting customer support promptly if you encounter any problems. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.